In previous video, we have studied Thales theorem. Now we are going to take one more important theorem, that is theorem on AA criterion. Statement: if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence the two triangles are similar. We should draw figure to prove every theorem. We cannot secure even a single mark without figure. For every theorem, figure can be drawn just by understanding the statement. Let us read statement of this theorem again. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence the two triangles are similar. For this theorem, we should draw two triangles such that corresponding angles are equal. Let us draw two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Next, given. What is given? What we have seen in figure itself is given. That is, in triangles ABC and DEF, angle BAC equal to angle EDF, angle ABC equal to angle DEF, angle ACB equal to angle DFE. Next, to prove AB by DE equal to AC by DF equal to BC by EF. This equality of ratio of corresponding sides can be written by these three equality of angles. So write AB by leaving this middle letter C in numerator, that is AB. Next, DE by leaving F in denominator, that is DE, AB by DE. Next, write AC by leaving B in numerator, and write DF by leaving this middle letter E in denominator, that is AC by DF. Similarly, we can write BC by EF. Next, construction. Mark P on DE, Q on DF such that AB equal to DP, AC equal to DQ. Join PQ. Let us perform construction in figure. P on DE, next Q on DF such that DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC. Join PQ. Proof. In triangles ABC and DPQ, AB equal to DP because construction, angle BAC equal to angle PDQ because given, AC equal to DQ because construction. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PDQ because SAS postulate. Therefore, BC equal to PQ because corresponding part of congruent triangles. Next, ABC equal to angle ABC equal to angle DPQ because CPCT. Therefore, angle DEF equal to angle DPQ because angle B equal to angle E. Observe here, angle B equal to angle E. That is by given. Next, PQ parallel to EF because angle E is equal to angle D. Observe here, angle P, angle E equal to angle P. These two angles are corresponding angles. Therefore, PQ parallel to EF. Therefore, DP by DE equal to DQ by DF equal to PQ by EF. Therefore, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF because AB equal to DP, AC equal to DQ and BC equal to PQ by equation 1. So therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF.